Let us consider numerical based upon meter bridge experiment. We studied two types of meter bridge experiment. One is the unknown resistance of given metallic wire using meter bridge, and second one unknown resistance of a moving coil galvanometer or given galvanometer using meter bridge experiment, and that is specifically a Kelvin's method. So on both these we are going to consider now numericals. First of all, let us consider determination of unknown resistance using meter bridge experiment. Suppose statement given is in a meter bridge experiment certain unknown resistance is connected in left gap and a certain known resistance of 60 ohm connected in the right gap. And suppose by sliding jockey the balance point is obtained at 40 centimeter from the left end. 40 centimeter from the left end. This is balance point. Already we discussed this experiment. This is left gap, this is right gap, this is a jockey or also called as sliding key. While sliding the jockey, yes, definitely deflection goes on changing, and somewhere we are getting a point for which this galvanometer shows zero deflection. Once this galvanometer shows zero deflection, this meter bridge is said to be balanced. Now here, as per the statement, X resistance in the left gap, right gap 60 ohm resistance, balance point is at 40 centimeter from left end. From left end. This is a given statement. So as per statement, now we have to calculate here X, unknown resistance. Now balance point is obtained at 40 centimeter. It means that from left side it is at 40 centimeter. So total length is 1 meter. It means that it is 100 centimeter. It is 100 centimeter. So as per theoretical consideration, left side balancing length which is on unknown resistance side, we consider symbol as a Lx. So here Lx will be 40 centimeter. So Lr indirectly it will be 100 minus 40. So it comes out equal to 60 centimeter. So we can replace here now left side balancing length म्हणजे Lx is equal to how much? It is 40 centimeter, and Lr becomes 100 minus 40 will be equal to 60 centimeter. Now requirement is to find, what to find? Unknown resistance X. Now I don't think there is any problem to get unknown resistance. We already derived formula for unknown resistance. X is equal to capital R Lx divided by Lr. Now simply substituting these values, we will get unknown resistance. Otherwise this formula you can also remember in this format. Left gap resistance X divided by right gap resistance R is equal to left side balancing length divided by right side balancing length, and then you can rearrange as per the requirement. So here X is the requirement, and therefore rearranging these terms we can write, yes, what we can write? X is equal to capital R Lx divided by Lr. One and the same, no problem at all. So here X will be equal to, now R is given as a 60, balancing length this is 40, divided by this is 60, so 60 get cancelled. So X will be equal to 40 ohm. Now this is very simple numerical. It will arrive in competitive exam only for 1 mark, and in board examination weightage will be hardly 2 marks. So is it clear to you? Simply in this formula you have to substitute values. Similarly, there will be numerical based upon Kelvin's method. In Kelvin's method, only change is that, what is change? In this middle branch there is only metallic wire with jockey, and in this left gap there will be galvanometer. Now statement, wording of statement will be, in Kelvin's method or in meter bridge experiment with Kelvin's method, a galvanometer is connected in left gap. A certain known resistance, suppose this is given as 100 ohm connected in right gap. Suppose balance point, or that is the equal deflection point. In Kelvin's method we are not interested for null deflection point because here galvanometer is not there. In Kelvin's method we know that when jockey was not touched, certain current will flow through the galvanometer. We have to note that deflection, say theta. Now you have to start sliding the jockey, and somewhere guaranteed you will get a point. Suppose D point will be obtained, for which, for this D point galvanometer shows same deflection when jockey was not touched, and for that deflection, suppose now here this balance length comes out equal to 25 centimeter from the left end. So as per this statement, see here, galvanometer is connected in left gap, 100 ohm resistance in the right gap, and this equal deflection point is noted at 25 centimeter from the left hand. So as per the statement, we can write given data. What are the given parameters? Yes, known resistance as 100 ohm. Now left side length here symbol instead of Lx, now it will be Lg. So L suffix G means balancing length on galvanometer side, it will be 25 centimeter. So balance length on known resistance side, it will be 100 minus Lg, so that is 75 centimeter. And requirement is to find, yes, resistance of galvanometer. This is our requirement. How to get resistance of this galvanometer now? Same formula. Left gap resistance divided by right gap resistance means G upon R is equal to left side balancing length upon right side balancing length. It means that this is Lg upon Lr. So simply rearranging, we already obtained this formula by Kelvin's method. The formula to calculate resistance of galvanometer, G is equal to R into Lg divided by Lr. So simply substitute values over here. So capital G is equal to, I think this is 100, this is 25, this is 75. So 25 3s are, so capital G is equal to, what will be value? 100 by 3. So that will be equal to 33.33 ohm. This is the resistance of given galvanometer. Now this is again very similar type of problem like unknown resistance of a given metallic wire. So this is the simplest type of numerical based upon meter gauge. Is it clear to you? Now little bit heavy level we will consider in next video. Okay, thank you.